Making homemade mayonnaise by hand is a serious workout and it doesn't always go to plan. Making it in the Vibe blender is so much quicker and easier. You get to control your ingredients using fresh produce, manage your seasoning, and also you can choose the oil you work with as well. Today I'm going to show you a basic mayonnaise and then we're going to flavor it a couple of different ways and then just serve it up with some sweet potato chips. So let's get started. First, we're going to add 2 fresh free-range eggs into the blender jug with 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Set your machine to smoothie mode and just pulse it a couple of times to bring those together. Now we need 1 cup of oil. It needs to be one with a neutral flavor. I'm going to use avocado oil today, but you could use grapeseed or rice bran oil or any other neutral flavored oil that you like. Remove the cap from the top of the blender and keeping it on smoothie mode, turn down the speed to the lowest setting. Turn the blender on and now we can start adding our oil. It's really important that you do this as slowly as you can because we need it to all emulsify nicely. This is going to take a few minutes, but you will start to notice it coming together nicely and thickening up as it should. Once it's looking really nice, thick and glossy, you can stop the machine and that's where we'll add our seasonings. For the basic mayonnaise, I'm just going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little bit of cracked pepper. I'm also going to squeeze in a bit of lemon juice and then after it's blended up again, I'll taste it to see if it needs adjusting. When you're happy with your seasoning, you can pour it straight into a sterilized jar and this will keep for up to 2 weeks. If you've been making homemade yogurt or cheese and you happen to have some extra liquid whey left over, then you could add about 1 tablespoon along with your lemon juice and this will help to preserve it even longer, up to 2 months in the fridge. So now we're going to try a couple of flavor variations. There's heaps more on the blog, so check that out. I'll link it below. Today I'm going to go with 2 Mexican style flavors. The first one just has a little bit of smoked paprika and some lime zest. And the second one, some coriander, some garlic and some lime juice. So we're just going to make our base mayonnaise as normal, and after all our oil has been added and it's nice and thick and glossy, along with our salt and pepper, we can add about 3/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and the zest of 1 lime. You can then blend it on the low setting again for around 5 to 10 seconds until it's nicely mixed in. It'll then be ready to use straight away or jar up. Our second flavoring is much the same. When you come to add your salt and pepper, add 1 handful of chopped coriander, including the stems, 1 clove of garlic, and a squeeze of fresh lime. These 2 flavors are really versatile. You can put them on tacos or burgers or just use them to dip your chips in. So there you have it, homemade mayonnaise in the Vibe blender in just a matter of minutes. Give this one a go at home, and again, check out the blog for more flavor ideas. Let us know below if you have any of your own. Hit subscribe below if you haven't already and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. We'll see you again next time for some more Luvele Life recipes.